Good day, sir. I'm Mark-Angelo M. Galang. I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as your logistic manager that will ultimately benefit your organization. I finished my master's degree about supply chain management and logistic operation at Malayan Colleges, Laguna. My educational background about industrial engineering that specialized in optimization technique that the key factors will help their company to run smoothly. I've been able to develop my skills such as time management, critical thinking, and complex analysis about operation analysis. With the help of my studies and on-hand training in the seminars and different activities. My technical skills, my past experience has also taught me how to become a great collaborative team player, while my education and attitude will add value to your organization. When you combine this, passion, dedication, and commitment to innovate logistic operation in your company, I believe you provide a total package. When you make a decision, you won't regret to hire me.